It took months of saving, planning, and building up all that anticipation just to turn your dream trip into reality. Pero sa isang iglap, pwedeng magbago ang lahat.
Scenes of fear and devastation as the Philippine province of Cebu is struck by a powerful quake late Tuesday. The tremor emanating from a fault that had not moved in the past 4 centuries.
Thousands were stranded in the upper floors of their houses and needed rescue after Typhoon Tino dumped intense rains in Metro Cebu on Tuesday, November 4.
Months worth of rainfall dumped by Typhoon Tino in the Visayas in just 24 hours.
Typhoon Fung Wong is now closing in on southern Taiwan after lashing the Philippines with some deadly force. The storm has brought torrential rains, floods, and widespread damage across the region. A weather radar graphic showed the typhoon near the southern tip of the island. Ahead of its arrival, the Taiwanese authorities have evacuated.
Pero sa kabila ng lahat at ng banta ng matinding bagyo, pinili naming ituloy ang naturang plano. At dito, magpapatuloy ang aming kwento sa Taiwan sa gitna ng bagyo.
Yun guys, I'm literally on my own. Isa lang ako dito, walang ibang nag-picture or nag-take ng video.
Shiman Station, transfer station for the Green Line.
Matapos ang epic fail na pagbisita namin sa King Changgang Grassland, bumalik kami ng Taipei para mag-brunch habang inihintay ang nakaschedule naming Klook tour papunta ng Shufeng, Jufen at Yelyu.
Dito na kami ulit sa Siminding. Dito kami nag-exit sa exit 5 kasi dito rin naman kami susunduin ng Klook, pero maghahanap muna kami ng makakain kasi meron pa kami mga 2 hours to wait. So, life must go on. Let's do this, alright?
Yes.
Ang tour na to ay may kasama ng pick-up at drop-off, transportation at English-speaking guide na siyang maglilibot sa amin buong magdamag.
So guys, nakasakay na kami sa aming bus. And we're now heading to Shufeng, Jufen, and Yelyu. Are you ready?
I guess so.
Diba? Di ko alam kung anong kasing spot tong napili ko, pero nasa harapan kami. So, okay na to. Pagod na rin ako. So, sabay tayo. Let's go!
At dahil nga sa paparating na bagyo, wala kaming choice kundi ituloy ang tour kahit umaambon.
We've got a perfect storm. We don't care a second wind or something else to take
Ang una
form.
naming pinuntahan ay ang Yelyu Geopark na may kakaibang rock formation na mahahalin tulad raw sa surface ng Mars.
Oh, we're learning where to aim and still learning all the ways.
Sa dami ng taong pumupunta rito, makikipag-unahan ka talaga makahanap lang ng photo spot.
Just the same.
At syempre, di kami nagpahuli.
Only ourselves to blame. Oh, we stay together.
At nung turn ko na, dahan-dahan akong naglakad papalapit sa puot, galit, ines. Ayoko na talaga magsalita ng masasamang words. Mabuti pa at mag-collect na lang kami ng mga stamps tulad ng ginagawa ng mga karamihang Pinoy dito sa Taiwan. Di nagtagal. We're back in our bus and we're heading to our next destination sa Shifen. So, as expected, sobrang daming tao dito sa Yelyu kahit na maulan. Ang daming turista, different groups from different buses. Kaya nang ina-expect ko, nawalan lang ako ng pasensya, so umalis kami agad. Dahil parang walang mapupuntahan. Ang pagpunta namin doon, umuulan pa. So, better yet, magkape. Alright? So, let's go to the next destination.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Moving on, nagpatuloy kami sa isa pang activity na kadalasang ginagawa ng mga turista rito. Ang magpalipad ng makukulay na lanterns. Pero bago yun, kailangang mag-wish ka muna.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Sleep.
Okay, look at me. Take a
Hear the crickets
okay, bye-bye.
side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So guys, we just got off from the bus and we're now heading to Jufen. At ang lamig. We were not prepared for the cold.
Sa huli naming attraction for the day, binungad kami ng napakaraming free taste.
I'm not sure what it is because I don't have to do it. I cannot tell you. Okay? Okay, try.
Bring it all!
Yeah, okay.
From drinks,
Naman siya, pero alam kayo.
Yeah. To food. Sarap. Dito, malaya kaming namasyal for at least 2 hours. Hanggang sa makita namin ang sikat na tea house na para bang hango sa palabas na Spirited Away.
You and I, we got it.
Sa dami ng tao, pinili naming makipagsiksikan. At sa sama ng panahon, minabuti naming kumain sa aming natitirang oras.
Can weather any storm.
Kinabukasan, dahil sa parating na bagyo sa Taiwan, ay pinili naming di tumuloy sa Taichung at Alishan. Sa halip, we spent Karian's last 2 days in Taipei, kung saan ginugol namin ang oras sa pagkain at shopping.
You came out of nowhere like a bullet train. You were so familiar, but you're not the same as all the other drifters who have lost their way. You remind me of a love that never changes. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. While you find your footsteps and I breathe again, there's a new connection that's just always where love was all that mattered. And you were young and free. I'm all to you, you are all to me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time.
Mga lakatseros, we're here at Starbucks and we're just having our coffee on our 5th day here in Taiwan. So, yes, the last day of Karian. Bukas na yung lipad niya pabalik na Pilipinas. So, we were expecting the landfall yesterday pero parang na-delay siya. Sabi is darating daw ang Fungwong, Storm Fungwong or Uwan today midnight. At bukas yung flight niya morning. So hopefully walang maging aberya. And well, looking at the environment, medyo mainit ngayon compared yesterday. So hindi kami natuloy sa dapat naming puntahan like Taichung. Tapos dapat ngayon nasa Alishan kami. Pero dahil nga sa forecasted weather na dito sa Taiwan. Kami natuloy. And we're just gonna explore the rest of Taiwan. Diba? The rest of Taiwan. Try namin mag-Ichiran mamaya. Samahan niyo kami, guys.
I don't wanna sit around and wait. Thin skin, I'm underwater. Is this really happening? You stay silent, you don't mind. Happiness or dollar signs to you. What about not stealing anyone's time? Anyone's time.
Medyo naging unpredictable man ang panahon, di kami natinag and we made sure to make the most out of the time we have left in Taiwan. So we strolled, explored Taipei until we found Ichiran. Mapalad kami at di pa gaano kahabang pila kaya agad kaming naka-order. Maya-maya ay nagbayad. Hanggang sa kami nakapasok na, ready to dig in. So guys, we're finally here in Ichiran, near Taipei 101. Medyo nawala-wala kami dahil kay Google Maps. Pero sa wakas, after ng mahababang lakaran, patitikman na namin ang Ichiran Ramen. According to my research, meron lang daw 4 or 3 countries na may Ichiran. Japan, which has 80 branches. Tapos, ang Taiwan at ang USA. Pero kung i-count ko yung Hong Kong, which is not a country, so pwedeng 4. Yun. So now, gutom na ako. Tamang-tama para sa aking sipon. Sana magustuhan natin. Let's eat.
Lamig siya, guys.
Ano rating mo?
10.
Ang soft na meat, guys. Tapos ang tender ng noodles. And ang pinakagusto ko dito is yung sabaw, yung soup. Tamang-tama yung lasa. Pero I'll rate it 9 kasi mas more on peppery ako. So kung may pepper pa to, mas masarap to para sa akin. No? Pero bagay na bagay ito sa mga Mexico. So enjoyin ko na lang muna. Matapos mag-Ichiran ay bumalik kami ng accommodation to prepare at nang makapagpahinga ng maaga si Karian for her next early day flight. Di ka na nagpapaawat? Uwi ka na talaga? Yeah. Parang pinagsisihan nung sumama ka. Wow! Kasha pa ba yan? Well, parang nag-OFW ka ba? The next morning, maaga kaming gumising para sa pag-uwi ni Karian pabalik ng Pinas. To get to the airport, we took a taxi going to the bus station para makasakay ng Kuakwang Bus 1819 na siyang may biyahe 24 hours. After almost an hour of travel, narating namin ang Taoyuan Airport. Pansin ko ang magkahalong excitement and anxiety ni Karian. At bilang siya ay isang first-time international traveler, batid ko ang kaba niya going back home.
Tingnan ko no kay. Kaya ako, if once nakasulay na ko, the more I will try to reach other countries pa.
Okay.
Kasi, in my thought, manggod, it's a thing I can never accomplish.
Ang makatravel?
Even before pa, because given with the liabilities or responsibilities, it was always a plan for those other people nga kung gastoriya.
Tapos hindi natutuloy-tuloy.
Hindi natutuloy-tuloy mo na yung asking, what yung ko'y mailang nga tao? Nga dagan na ko friends, nga ganan mo travel, but it's just the same reason, dili sila kay with kids and all, na pag-vision sila. Ito na. Yung mo to, kung kadumog ko, masikaod ka ng travel niya, pero ganun kay kumukuyog.
Worth it lahat ng mga print.
Worth it maging friend mo.
But you were there, holding my hand. You were there, holding my hand. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
And just like that, my first solo travel era abroad begins. Kabado man, ramdam ko rin ang excitement exploring the rest of Taiwan on my own. Dito, nanatili ako ng 3 pang araw kaya naman lumipat ako sa aking second accommodation, ang Citizen M Taipei Northgate Hotel. With its self-online check-in, walang kahasel-hasel akong tumuloy sa aking room. I booked the double city view room kaya't pagpasok, bumungad sa akin ng isang napakalaking glass window right next to a queen-size bed. From that bed, kita mo ang city view with vehicles that come and go day and night. Meron rin itong 2 complimentary water bottles, sink, a spacious bathroom with bath soap and shampoo, at hot and cold shower. Of course, it comes with Wi-Fi, a huge cable TV, and a control that will help you customize your mood in that room. With that same controller, pwede mong mapababa o akyat ang window blinds depending on your preference. With all these features at sa laki ng nabayaran ko, syempre, I stayed in my room all night until checkout. So it's time to test the bed. I'm so excited. Ang lambot. Wow. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero akala ko na-cancel na to eh. Pero na-charge na ako. So itutuloy ang accommodation dito sa Citizen M Northgate. And with this kind of view, I don't know if I deserve it, pero marami namang hindi natuloy sa trip namin. So I guess, yes, I will gaslight myself more to know na I deserve this view. Kahit for one night lang.
Bubblegum fights on the 3rd floor. Comedy specials at 8.
Meron din pala silang aesthetic bar/restaurant on their 2nd floor where you can order food and drinks. Kinagabihan, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi magmuni-muni, manood ng movie, at kumain.
Fishing rod in the quiet field. And what I caught wouldn't be big enough for you and I and say I did great.
Kinabukasan,
And all of these moments they add up to something that feels so big. And all that I'm left with is a dry throat.
alright mga lakocheros, tapos na ang mga maliligayang oras ko dito sa Citizen M Taipei Northgate. Pero hindi pa tapos ang adventure ko dito sa Taiwan. So, lilipat lang ako ng accommodation dun sa mas mura-mura. Lilipat tayo ng hostel dahil yun naman talagang afford natin, no? Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin ako sa opportunity na matuloy ito kahit akala ko na-cancel nga talaga siya. Pero yun na nga, the chance, the experience, the view, it's all worth it. So, sarap din ang tulog ko, although I should admit na medyo nahirapan akong makatulog nung una dahil ang ganda ng view eh. Hindi ka basta-basta makakatulog kung lagi kang nakatitig sa view mo. Pero it was a comfortable sleep and I think my chill day is almost over. Lilipat naman ako ngayon sa isa pang hostel na tutuluyan ko for the next 2 days dito sa Taiwan. And hope samahan niyo pa rin ako. Tara! My last 2 days in Taiwan went by so fast. Matapos ko makalipat sa mas murang hostel, pansin ko na mas binigyan ko ang aking sarili ng oras to breathe. Almost like I was gently conditioning myself for the fact that I'd soon be leaving. Probably, it's one of the advantages when you travel by yourself. Hawak mo ang oras mo. I guess that long 1-kilometer walk was all worth it. I just came out from a DJI outlet doon sa DJI Suncheon, if I pronounce it right. And I had my DJI mic fixed kasi nga di ba nahulog siya. And luckily, ang bait nung guy, marunong din siya mag-English and he had things figured out for me. And ang bait niya, sabi ko sa kanya na I was already thinking na bibili ako ng bagong DJI mic. Sabi niya, wag kasi ang mahal. Ang galing lang. Hindi niya pa ako pinagbayad, so I'm just so happy. You can stroll wherever you want, whenever you can. Take photos, pause, and truly appreciate the scenery around you. And if you're lucky enough, you might even bump into some old friends who just happen to be in that same place at the same time. Mga ka-Treras Live update, andito ako ngayon sa Zhangzhou dahil imimit ko ang aking matagal ng kaibigan na si Joyce at andito na siya. Oh my God! Andito na siya, kakasabi ko lang. Uy, kumusta ka na? Hindi, sabi ko, imimit kita. Hi! James! Indeed, it's amazing how traveling somehow brought me even closer to my old friends.
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all.
On my last day, I knew I had to go somewhere far.
It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow.
Sa isang malayong lugar na di kayang abutin ng tren, kaya sasakay ka pa ng public bus just to get there. Matapos ang mahigit na 2 oras na biyahe, narating ko rin ang sikat na bus stop dito sa Taiwan, ang Chaoshi Bus Stop. So ayun guys, I'm literally on my own. Mag-isa lang ako dito, walang ibang nagpa-picture or nagtitake ng video. Basically, kung anong sinakyan ko papunta dito, ganoon din naman pala ang bus na sasakyan pabalik. So I'm just happy kasi nakapagpa-picture tayo dito, nakarating tayo dito nang hindi nawawala, di ba? Nang mag-isa. Congrats to be top to myself. It's an achievement as a solo traveler. I know, it sounds ridiculous, right? Ang bumiyahe ng ganun kalayo para lang makita ang isang bus stop. But hey, where's the fun if I stayed on one place? If we had stayed put, malamang hindi namin napuntahan ang mga lugar na napuntahan namin. Hindi namin natikman ang mga pagkaing malamang wala sa Pinas. If we had stayed, we'd probably stuck wondering about the what-ifs. And if I had stayed, I wouldn't have experienced riding a public bus on my own, figuring things out without anyone's help. In the end, masasabi ko ang naging trip namin sa Taiwan was far too perfect. But it was fun. And I'm glad I got the chance to share this moment with a friend. Lastly, I'm glad I took the risk. Sabi nga nila, if you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. change will surely come. Maybe one more trip around the sun. But we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one. And we know the change will surely come. Maybe one more trip around the sun, and we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be